Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh and I hope all of you are doing great today. So guys, I'm back with a review video in which I'm going to be reviewing this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is a multi-use sculpting concealer and I got my hands on this a few weeks back and I really wanted to review this product for a lot of people who are actually thinking about buying this product and whether or not it is actually good to invest your money into this expensive luxurious concealer. And I'm going to talk you through this video about what are the pros and cons and how the coverage actually looks. I'm going to show you that by using two tools, so please keep on watching this video. And if you guys are liking the content that I'm making for you people and you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe down to my channel and also hit the bell icon. It would mean a lot to me. So guys, without further ranting, let's just get down into the video now. So guys, let's just get down with the review of this product now. So this is how the packaging of this product looks like, and this is how beautiful and luxurious it is. It is very nice baby pink color with this golden detailing right here as the rim, and all the ingredients are written down here. It retails for 1900 rupees, which is a real solid price to pay for a concealer, I know. But if you guys want to buy any luxurious concealers, it is obviously going to be worth this much because such concealers actually have really good coverage and are basically used for clients and for doing a wedding makeup or something, and which is why I really wanted to try out this product and review it for you guys if any of you is contemplating or being skeptical about investing in this product. And I'm just gonna tell you how much ml the net quantity of this product is 15 ml, which is fantastic because I have generally seen concealers have just 5 to 9 ml of product, and 15 ml for a concealer is a really nice product quantity for me. And this is how it looks from the inside. And I bought the shade, I'll just show you guys, I bought the shade Natural Beige. So guys, I know it's really difficult for selecting the actual shade range from the websites or even from Nykaa. It's really difficult to actually understand what shade is actually going to match your skin tone. So what I actually did was I went to the Sephora UK site. That has a shade finder in which you can actually put in the foundation that you currently have, and it's going to give you a shade match with the product that you're actually looking for. And they suggested me to buy the shade Natural Beige, and it actually suits me completely. I believe it is actually my shade. I did not want the concealer to be a highlighter or a contour, so I really wanted this concealer to be actually a shade that blends into my skin just as if it was made for me. So I really think that the shade finder is going to do you justice if you guys are confused about finding your exact shade, because this Too Faced Born This Way concealer has a huge range on Nykaa. It has currently 30 shades, I believe, and you can use these concealers are multi-use sculpting concealers. So, and it has super coverage. This is what it claims on the bottle as well. Go and buy a shade which is 2 to 3 times lighter. You can obviously use it as a highlighting shade underneath your eyes and on the bridge of your nose and everything. If you guys move towards a darker shade which is 2 to 3 tones darker than your skin tone, then you can use it easily for contouring your face. But I really wanted the shade to match me completely so that I can use it to just cover up my shadows and my blemishes, which is what it actually does for me, and it's the perfect match for me. And the bottle looks really nice. The product quantity is really good. I'll just show you the doe foot applicator it comes with. So this is how the product looks from inside as well. Like the whole packaging looks. The doe foot applicator is sufficient enough to just dip your tip into it and you can get the sufficient amount of product you need to put on your face in one go. There were so many people who were telling me that it has really thick coverage and it's you will have to maybe mix it up with the different concealer which is in a very liquidy form to actually get a nice base and everything. But for me personally, I feel it's the right amount of consistency for this concealer. I don't feel it is really thick or anything because I really use really minimal amount of this concealer and it just does the job for me completely. And I bought this concealer mainly because it has I just tell you guys, it has hyaluronic acid, which gives you a smoother and a youthful appearance. So what basically hyaluronic acid does, it actually takes the moisture from the environment, it actually seeps it through into your skin, and it actually makes your skin look supple and soft. So it has a moisturizing effect, and it has alpine rose, which is really good for your skin health and also for giving you a very radiant kind of glow, which this concealer actually gives. And it has coconut water. We all know how good coconut water is for us. So first off, I'm just going to use the concealer on both the sides of my face, and I'm going to use two different tools for blending it out so that you guys can actually see the coverage that I've been raving and talking about so much. So I'm just going to apply the concealer on both the sides, but I'm going to use a sponge on this side of my face, which is the left side, and on the right side I'm going to use the brush so that you guys can actually see the coverage and which tool actually blends the best with this concealer, that you guys can easily make out right now through the video. I'm going to take really minimal product because you actually don't need that much, because it is really full coverage, and I haven't applied anything on my face right now. It's completely bare. I've just done my eyes and my lips, and that's all I've done for today, and my eyebrows. So I'm just going to use this concealer. I'm going to use it on this zit because I want to show you guys how to cover it up, and a little bit on this zit, and wherever I feel that there is a little bit of pigmentation I want to cover or something. My sponge from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to show you guys how it's going to blend. I'm just going to spritz it with some priming water. MAC Prep and Prime. Spray a little bit of it on this. Guys, just take your time while blending, because if you blend in a rush, then you're not going to get the coverage. Guys, as you can see, this zit is actually really popped out and it's still going to be visible, so you can always use color correctors that you have, and I'm going to show you the two color correctors that I have for me. So guys, these are the two color correctors that I usually use. This is the MAC concealer, and this is in the shade NC48, and this is the normal orange color corrector from LA Girl. So I generally don't use this because I don't need so much color correction on my face. Usually only when I have a zit which is really pigmented and it's leaving some dark spots and scars on my face, that is when I use really minimal of this. But you guys can use it if you have a lot of hyperpigmentation. Use this one on the zits, some right here. I'm just gonna apply the Too Faced concealer on it over again. Guys, I'm again repeating, I hadn't used any foundations, nothing for my base except a moisturizer, and I just wanted to make this tutorial just by using this concealer so that you guys can actually see the coverage and everything that this concealer actually claims to have and how it actually performs. For my skin type, I am a combination skin type, so I have an oily T-zone and I have really dry cheeks. I'm breaking out because of this really bad humid weather and just staying indoors, and so much of stress and anxiety because of a lot of other factors. So, can you guys see the coverage? Like, this zit is hardly visible now. I don't know if the camera is catching up exactly what I'm trying to convey right here, but like, it has covered up most of it. Like, you guys, if this zit was flat, then I guess it wouldn't have been visible at all. It's just because of the bump that is there on my face. Now I'm just going to do my this side of the concealer with a brush. Always remember, for makeup, for doing your base, less is always more. The lesser products that you use, the better the whole makeup base is just going to pop out and just going to be really flawless and skin-like. Two brushes that I generally use for concealers. One is the PAC 272 brush. This is a very nice brush for blending your concealers in because it actually goes right under the inner corner of your eyes and blends it like a dream. And this is the PAC concealer brush. I don't know the number because this came in a set of 25 brushes. So these two are perfect for blending your concealers. The brush goes into the very corner of your eyes, and you can even sharpen up your eyeshadows if you have messed up. by giving it a very sharper look. So can you guys make out the difference between both the sides? I've used a sponge from Real Techniques on this side of my face and a brush. So guys, what I really wanted to show you in this review video was that if you use a sponge, it's actually going to take away a lot of coverage. If you guys want lesser coverage from the concealer, you can always use a damp sponge because it's going to take away the product, because it absorbs the product a lot. But with a brush you will get a really nice full coverage look if you are going for that sort of look. If you have to do a makeup for any wedding, you guys can always use a brush with this concealer. For me personally, I really like to use a brush with this concealer because that actually takes really minimal product of the concealer and just blends it out like a dream. I'm just gonna set it with powder and then I'm just gonna explain further. It hardly creases also, guys. That's such a plus point because my under eyes have so many fine lines and the concealer just creases up so quickly after I've applied my concealer. But this just doesn't crease at all. Like, it's superb. Guys, as you saw, this is how the coverage looks on my face and this is how my face is looking currently. I was breaking out so bad, so I was not really keen on making this video any sooner. But I hope this video was helpful for you guys and you guys can actually decide on to whether or not you guys can buy this product. For me, this is one of the best concealers I have after the Tarte Shape Tape. Like, I have been thoroughly enjoying using this. There are no cons as such because I believe I have actually taken out the worth out of each and every penny that I invested in this product, and it has been my favorite since the very time that I have got my hands on this through Nykaa. Price point is actually high because obviously Too Faced is a luxurious brand, and Too Faced being a brand which was launched abroad has come to India, so there are going to be custom charges and everything that Nykaa has inculcated into the price that we have to pay for it. So you guys can obviously determine all of that, and I hope you guys are enjoying my content. Till then, guys, please be safe. Please keep watching my videos and do comment if you guys want me to make any other content or review any other product. I would be very happy to do that. Till then, guys, be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe, guys. Bye, guys.